In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image behind text in Google Docs. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional layout where your text sits neatly on top of a background image, perfect for covers, flyers, or visual reports. Start by opening a document in your Google Drive. Any document will work, but it helps to have a few lines of text already typed so you can immediately see how the image interacts with it. If you're starting fresh, just add a title or a sample paragraph to test the effect. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top, then choose Image. This is where you tell Google Docs where to find your picture. You'll see several sources like uploading from your computer using your Drive, Google Photos, or even a URL. Select the storage location you want to use. If your image is already saved on your computer, choose Upload from Computer. A file browser will open, so navigate to your image, select it, and confirm. Give it a moment to upload and it will appear directly in your document. Once the image is in, resize it to fit your layout, click the image to select it, and drag the corner handles to scale it up or down. Use the corners so the proportions stay balanced and the image doesn't look stretched. If you're planning to make it a full page background, enlarge it until it fills the page area and drag it roughly into position. Now double click the image to open its controls and look for the text wrapping options. Choose behind text. This is the key setting that places the image underneath your words instead of pushing the text around it. As soon as you select behind text, your text should become visible on top of the image. At this point, you have an image behind your text. Take a moment to fine-tune the layout. Click and drag the image to reposition it so important parts aren't hidden behind text. If the text is hard to read, try enlarging the image a bit more, shifting it so lighter areas sit behind your text, or reducing visual clutter by choosing a simpler picture. You can also adjust the margins or add spacing to your text to improve readability. That's all you need to create a polished background image effect in Google Docs. Insert your image, place it, then set it to behind text. Save your document and you're ready to share or print with a clean, professional look.